Hey guys, it's me Nutbutter, and today we're going to be playing some Lab Monkey Backrooms. So let's go on to the then. Lab Monkey! Here we go. I've already played Backrooms, but I want to make a video on it. Here we go. I'm just gonna stand on top of this. No, I can't get on it. Oh, there we go. And I'm also going to do it in public because my friends are not on right now. Whoa. By the way, the game name is called Lab Monkey. I'll show you in the menu. Look, Lab Monkey. Okay. I've already played all the levels apart from Hospital. But one of my favourite maps is Backrooms, so let's go into it then. Yoink! Hello. Here we go then. There's people in here, luckily. Because I don't want to do this one. Come on. I'll mention it again, I've already played all the levels except from Hospital. But I have seen some gameplay of it. Crap. The monster is like a plague bird thing. I don't know if there's another monster on that level, but there is another monster in this level. It's like the red version. It's like a red version of that. I don't know if you can beat this level, but I think you can. There's got to be a way. Okay, look, there he is. There's the red one. No, I fell.
We got feet, guys.
I keep falling down.
The bike is gonna explode.
There you go.
The bike is gonna explode, actually. This is the tattoo fish.
I'm out. Whoa, I just saw him. Oh, he's coming!
What?
Whoa!
Chat, guys, you can go if you're out of
Chat.
Why do you have a beard? Why is my thing over here?
It's because I got it.
Ah! I'm just trying to get my camera!
I never saw that monster
behind me.
Come to boost.
Bro, is that your camera like?
I think it was me. Hi there, sir. He looks a little angry. He looks a little angry.
Guys, come
He looks a
on!
little angry to me.
Yo, come on! Blue! Luke, come on! Luke, let's do this. Just follow me, Blue. I have no idea where we're going. Whoa! Thank you for riding me! I left him. Oh, you gotta press. I think you gotta press all the buttons. Let's try and beat this level. So I think we gotta press all the buttons. Oh, it's the fast one. Is it safe? Alright. Let's run. Oh, I see one of them. It's like he's ignoring me. Is there anyone here? Am I alone? Oh, I'm not. I think you gotta press the outlets. Whoa! What? Okay, yeah, I'm not going that way. What? What's in here?
Yeah, I'm going this way.
I'm getting so scared. Well, that's the time of how long I've been here. There's no outlets.
Yeah. This is the hardest bed.
There's the one that I clicked. Why is it just doors? Whoa! Oh. So we're safe. I don't know what this means. It's happened before when I was playing with my friend. I still don't know what it means. Elevator? I see the elevator! My elevator's open. It's like a safe zone.
I still got 50 seconds.
I'm just gonna run. Whoa! No, I literally jumped from him.
No way.
Yo,
Bye. Oh, never mind, not bye. Yes.
sacrifice. Someone get sacrificed.
Nah, I'd win. What is that?
What is it? Oh my god, my timer isn't done yet.
No, what is that? That's 2 minutes. Oh my god.
I don't like these rides. It's getting a bit annoying. Whoa! How do I turn them off?
My timer is through.
Oh, okay, there we go.
1 minute left. What's that? 1 minute left.
Guys, well, I have 26.
1 minute 30 seconds left.
And now
We're about to win. Yeah? Yeah.
I'm in. I have 8 seconds.
Guys, keep going. Your name is. No, that monkey.
Dead monkey. Oh yeah, dead monkey.
No.
Whoa.
0 seconds.
That's a damn monkey.
He just got killed on the roof.
No, he died. What the?
Someone get to the door with me. Someone get to the door with me.
I'll come.
Okay, me.
I'll go to the door.
Okay, come on, let's go. Hold on.
Wait, this is.
Hold on, we have to get the monster over there. Someone sacrifice and get the monster over there.
I'm not, because I'm gonna go with you.
Okay, dude, listen to me. We're gonna do this. Everybody, we're gonna go to the door now. Everybody.
Imagine if the monster just comes out of here.
Get in.
What just happened? What just happened? Where are we? I beat in the map, but now I'm in here.
go.
I just beaten the map. I beaten backrooms. So this is what I think this has to be hospital because I know what the school map.
Someone give me the other thing. Give me this. Where is it? Give me.
It's there.
Give me it.
But this map is terrifying.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. Wait, how do you make this follow you? How do you make this
Just
follow
gotta
you?
keep grabbing onto it.
Do a sacrifice. Like what?
Wait, I wanna see what's in here. Can I pick up this chair? No. Can I go inside of here? Yes. Whoa, there he is! Oh my god, it's Dr. Phil!
Wait, I have an idea.
I want to get jump scared by him. Oh, he's kissing me! That's his jump scare.
I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna leave this hall now.
Get your. Oh, never mind. Privacy, please. Let me just restart my game because I want to. I said I was gonna play some more backrooms. Come on, let's play some more backrooms. Because this is what this video is about. Not about the hospital. Whoa. Is it only cosmetics? Wait, I got some. I got a badge! Yay! I think I got it. I think I got this badge by being in the back rooms. Before I go back into the back rooms, I just want to see how much aura I have. Oh, shiny rocks. So it's down here. I have 300.
350.
Let's just see what I can. I'm just gonna check out all the cosmetics. Do we have any backroom cosmetics? What are these ones? That's the bunker, school mods, dressing room. I haven't been in the dressing room. Oh, dance floor. I'm play some hopscotch. So I can only touch the white blocks. Oh, come on, let's go to the back rooms then. Head back. I'm just gonna keep beating a level. Oh, I'm itching my back.
I'm almost watching.
Whoa! What is this thing? Oh, you have mod menus. Oh, you have mods. You have platforms.
Yeah.
That's sick. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did last time, where I went down here and there was an outlet. Well, I didn't do that last time. I just found the outlet. Crap. See, is he still there?
This is what Ellie wants.
Right, we have a little world.
I'm just gonna go this way. Hello there. Oh. Bro, how did he kill me? I literally was above him. Yeah, he bought mods. Fuck! Whoa! Oh my god! He just came out of nowhere. Oh yeah, this is my first video of Lab Monkeys. And when there's new and the next time this game gets an update and a new map, I'll go check it out.
Scary.
And maybe if one of my friends are online, I'll do it with him.
Door.
Oh, never. Never is online.
Yes.
I have like a map idea. We got backrooms, we got bunker, we got circus, we got hospital, got school, and I know a good map though, factory. Like a factory map would be right cool. Then the monster could be like a human with like a sickness.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
That'd be right cool. It won't be right cool if this monster keeps chasing me. I think I found it. Oh yeah, it's down here. Get. Why does he say get?
Dad, you can do a glitch? What? You know that?
What's the Sigma?
You can be in my YouTube video.
Whoa!
I'm a YouTuber. I'm a real YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. I wonder if I can like stay alive up here. Let me check. Okay, never mind. No, I won't be able to. So I'm just gonna keep.
No, guys, you know I'm recording.
Same, I am, bro. I'm literally recording as well. This is my first ever video on Lab Monkey.
What the hell? Yeah, me too.
And the old
My name is
What?
called My name is called Timmy G. You want to have lunch?
Do you want to add each other after I'm done making this video?
Okay.
Wait, we'll be the game and then.
Daddy, give me the cookie.
Okay, you don't. Okay.
Look how fast I am.
Oh, you know what? I don't. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna be able to add you. Why is it?
I'm making a video like different horror games.
I'm making a video about playing Lab Monkey Backrooms, and this is it right now. Like the recording.
I'm making a video like different horror games. So I'm gonna leave.
No, I fell. Why is the timer stopped?
This is really easy.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go. I think we have to press that. I think I have to go press that button on the outlet. So that's where I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna go right fast.
Oh wait, I've already got him.
To it. I think it might work, but I'm gonna have to do it. I can hear the monsters, but I can hear those little footsteps. Did I do it?
There we go. I can see it now.
Oh, I did it. Whoa! No, I'll just accept my fate. I think I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna go end the video after I've beaten this level again. Whoa! He's distracted! Run! Where is it? Pooh! Pooh! Fat! Stinky dinky! Donkey! You know, I'll just set my fate.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
But if I'm a forest and gorilla tag and I look like this. Bro, can you move? Bro, you've literally just destroyed my whole recording.
Sorry.
Does anyone want to come to the door with me? Oh no, no man, it's shattered! Go all the way down there. I can do this. I found it! Let's go! I've beaten it the second time. Okay, you know what, before I end the video, let me just electrocute it 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. That was not it. Right. Bye guys.